my name's Samantha and I'm so excited to be unboxing your February Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate this month, this box's theme is Teaching Sweetness. And it has a very fun berry theme, and I can't wait to show you all the fun that comes inside, but don't forget to stay to the very end because I'm also going to be showing you all the fun digital downloads that you get access to. So let's dive into all the fun. Of course, you're going to add to your art print collection and you're going to get this really sweet Just Be You strawberry design. It's perfect to add to your art collection or write a special note to someone to add some kindness to their kindness month this month. You're also going to be delighted to receive your Berry Best cone bands, perfect for some teacher fun. These come in this pretty pink and bright red design, so perfect for your Valentine's Day party this month. Of course, you're going to get a brand new teacher wristlet. This one is perfect to stay organized. Throw it in your teacher bag. It can hold your teacher badge. It can hold so many different fun designs in here. And of course, some coins or other little things that you need for your classroom. So perfect for you to have for your teacher bag. You're also going to get some beauty needs this month, and of course the first one is a strawberry lip mask. Looks like this. You're going to get nourishing and moisturizing smooth lip lines with this, so perfect for you to add to your beauty self-care this month, plus a fun strawberry shortcake berry awake face mask. So this one has collagen in it and it's perfect for you to get some self-care this month. You're also going to love these super cute strawberry push pins that are perfect for your bulletin boards and to add to your teacher desk. These are so cute and you get so many, so super fun. I can't wait to use this. And of course, for all the teachers that love being organized, you're gonna get a set. You're gonna get these Post-its that say, don't forget, so perfect for checking off all the things that you have coming up this school year. And you're gonna get a weekly organizer. So this one is so cute. It says Monday through Sunday, and it has this note section, and so perfect for keeping yourself organized throughout the school year. So perfect to add all of these things to your teacher desk, but the fun does not stop there because you're also going to get some digital downloads. So let me show you what you get this month. Of course, the first one is your calendar of the month. This one has you already organized. You're going to get a weekly planner, and of course, a whole bunch of fun Valentine's Day printables. So you're gonna get this heart messages one. This is so cute for your bulletin board, of course, color or black and white. You're also going to get a Things We Love About Our Classmates activity. So a fun anchor chart idea for you to use with your students. And some printables like word scrambles, and of course, printable Valentines for you to use this month. So bookmarks, things for lollipop fun, and printable cards for you. This is such a fun box this month that I hope that you will like and subscribe and come back for our next month's unboxing. So see you then, bye.